Good morning, students. Today I'll start chapter 4, Ethics and Safety Measures in Computing. We will discuss about Internet. So first of all, we start with Internet. Internet is one of the largest information database and it plays a vital role in our life. Internet stands for International Network of Computers. Okay, so the full form of Internet is International Networks of Computers. It is a global system of interconnected computer network that enables user to share information and various resources with each other. We can share data information across the globe instantly. Internet is a boon to the world. Internet is a boon to the world. Internet provides 24/7 services. Internet provides 24/7 services. Okay, so this is all about Internet. It stands for International Network of Computers. Internet is a boon to the world and Internet provides 24/7 services. Now we come to the advantages. What are the advantages we enjoyed about Internet? So advantages of Internet. Okay. Now the first advantages is education. Through Internet we can get the education. First point, education. Internet has changed the traditional learning system and it is widely used for educational purpose such as scholars, students, teachers to learn anytime, anywhere and anything. So this is the advantages of Internet, education. Now the second point is convenient mode of communication. Convenient mode of communication. We all know that through Internet we can communicate with each other all over the world within a fraction of seconds. So Internet is a convenient and economical mode of communication. Users can communicate with each other using various services on the Internet like email, chatting, video conferencing, instant messengers, etc. So this is the convenient mode of communication. Now the third one is business. The Internet has brought new opportunities for businesses to offer goods and services online, which will be proved to be beneficial. So meetings can be conducted inexpensively through the video conferencing facility without physically visiting the place. So financial transactions can be made online from the office or home. So business is also the advantages of Internet. Next one is e-commerce. It is the concept use of any type of commercial or business deals that involve the transfer of information across the globe by using the Internet. Nowadays we can see that many companies have their own portals, own websites which are used for e-commerce. That is why it becomes a big business all over the world. We can now purchase any type of goods through shopping portals or if we want to book tickets for bus, flight, trains or hotel rooms. So e-commerce is beneficial for these all types of services. Now next point is media and entertainment. media and entertainment. Internet adds values to media and entertainment, downloading games, videos, sounds, songs, surfing the web, visiting chat rooms, which attract the people towards the internet. So it is also the advantages of internet, that is media and entertainment. Next point is social networking. We all are familiar with the word social networking. Social networking sites nowadays we are using. This is also the advantages of internet. It is the latest way to communicate with each other through the Facebook, Twitter, MySpace or etc. We all can communicate with each other all over the world. So this is very important here. Social networking sites. We all are familiar with that. Next point is forum. Forum is an online discussion site where like-minded people can hold conversations in the form of posted messages. Okay, it's just a site for the online discussion. Next point is health and fitness. Internet is now playing a healthy role in providing extensive information on health and fitness. Using various medical sites, one can read more about various diseases, their cures and precautionary measures. So, if we need something to find out regarding the health or the fitness of the health, cures and the precautionary measures, we can just search through the internet. So, these all are the advantages of internet. We can enjoy these types of benefits through the internet. Okay. So, that's all for today. Thank you.